Wash bathua. Boil 4 whistles. Crush little adrak, ginger as per taste. Crush little garlic, lasun as per taste. 1 hari mirch, green chili. Crush as shown in video. Take a bowl and add 1 cup dahi, curd, add 3 tablespoons boiled bathua, mix well. You can store boiled bathua in freezer for 1 week. Add crushed ginger, garlic and red chili. Add salt as per taste. I am adding half teaspoon salt. Little bhuna jeera. You can add lal mirch, red chili powder. Little black salt, optional. Mix well. Enjoy healthy, tasty Bathua Raita. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.